Hello everyone, this is going to be a legal dictation. Get ready, start. The division bench observed that it is permissible for the state to provide concessions to achieve the goal under Article 16 subclause 4 without keeping the seats reserved for any backward class of citizens. Stop. When certain seats are reserved, it would not result in making unreserved seats as there is no reservation for general category candidates. Stop. It is also held that a reserved category candidates, in addition to the reserved seats, can always compete for unreserved seats. Stop. The division bench has further held that the reserved category candidate can also compete against the unreserved seats under a criteria which is uniformly applicable to all the candidates. Stop. In such, the selection criteria is lowered for the reserved category candidate, then such difference in standard or criteria would disentitle the reserved category candidate to compete in the general category. Stop para. After analyzing the law laid down by this court in numerous judgments, the division bench has concluded that the conflicting claims of individuals under Article 16 subclause 4 and the preferential treatment given to a backward class under Article 16 subclause 4 of the Constitution has to be balanced objectively. Stop. The division bench then considered as to whether the concession or relaxation in the matter of free and age would deprive a reserved category candidate of his right to be considered against an unreserved seat. Can be said that such a candidate is not a person who has competed with the general category in an open competition. Stop. However, after the promulgation of the 1994 Act and issuance of the instructions dated 25th of March, 1994, the state government has not treated relaxation in age and fee as relaxation in the standard of selection. Stop. Therefore, even if a candidate has availed concession in fee and age limit cannot be treated to be a relaxation in standard of selection. Stop. Therefore, it would not deny a reserved category candidate selection in open competition with general category candidates. Stop. Such concessions can be granted by the state under Section 8 subclause 1 of the Act. Stop para. The division bench has also held that a relaxation in age and concession in fee and provisions pertaining to eligibility of a candidate to find out as to whether he can appear in a competitive test or not, and by itself do not provide any indicia of open competition. Stop. The competition would start only at the stage when all the persons who fulfill all the requisite eligibility qualification, age, etc. are shortlisted. Stop. The candidates in a zone of consideration entering the list on the basis of aforesaid qualifications would thereafter participate in competition and open competition would commence therefrom. Stop. Therefore, concession granted under Section 8 would not disentitle a reserved category candidate of the benefit under Section 3. Stop. It has also been held that if a reserved category candidate has secured marks more than the last general category candidate, he is entitled to be selected against the unreserved seat without being adjusted against the reserved seat. Stop.